Good morning, students. Welcome to DURGASOFT online training and welcome to CoreJava online batch. Myself, K. Prakash Babu. Sir, yesterday we have seen the introduction for this course. Why we need to join into this course? Okay, what content we are going to discuss, like a syllabus. So every part I explained very clearly in the last video. If you want, you can refer that last video. Just I have given that YouTube link in the chat window. Those who are missing the last classes, you can refer that video. And coming to this course content about the course, sir, it is a core Java course, total 2 months duration. Okay, so from day one to almost 60 hours, we are going to talk about this Java. And the fees for this batch is 5,000. It is a normal track. So if you are interested to this course, then you can contact to these numbers to get registration forms. Okay, and the timings are, make sure it is not at 8 o'clock. These classes are at 7 o'clock. Okay, from the Monday onwards, these classes will be held at 7 o'clock. Okay, not at 8 o'clock, sir. Only these 3 days demo purpose we have taken at 8 o'clock. So the demos will be up to Monday. From Tuesday onwards, you have to get registered for this course. Then, so even we have started the Java with the Java editions. Sir, how many Java editions are there in the market? The total Java term is divided into three forms. So one is nothing but a standard edition, where we can do standalone applications, like the applications which you are going to prepare and which is going to execute on your mission. If you want to prepare such a type of applications, then we can go for this core Java, which is nothing but a standard edition. Okay, and even we have seen some examples also for that. And we have enterprise editions are there, which is used for developing either web applications or distributed applications, like that, where client server concept will come into the picture. So we are going to place our programs in a server. So any person who is connected with that server can access that information, maybe data submitting or data retrieval, any operation. So that the client has to send a request to the server, that the server will validate that request. If that person is a valid person, then that server will give response to the client. Okay, so these kind of applications we can develop by using this advanced Java. Okay, so which is also called as a Java Enterprise Edition. And we have Java Micro Edition is also there. Sir, what is mean by micro edition? Which is used for developing mobile based applications. But as of now, these mobile based applications are not that much popular. Okay, so because of this Android user interface, sir, so many new things are there in Android. So interface will become very easy. Okay, happily we can able to develop a small applications with less amount of time. So those kind of facilities are there in Java also, but it is a time taking process. Performance wise, when compared with Java, Android is so far. Okay, so that's why, but internally inside Android also, they are using Java up to certain level. Validations, all these things they are going to implement in Java. So that's why we can say among these three parts of Java movie, the first part was very hit, second part is also hit, so third part is a flop. Okay, so in this first part, without this first part, if you watch a second part, you won't get anything. The complete stuff is provided in the first part only. Okay, then, sir, of course our course content is to learn Java standard edition. That's all, nothing more than this. So these are the points what we discussed in the last video, sir. Now, sir, in today's session, let me talk about Java history. Java history. Sir, who developed Java? Who developed Java? When this Java programming came into the market? Sir, we have many programming languages are there, like in very basic. So basic programming language is there, then so COBOL programming language is there, then Fortran programming language is there, later BCPL programming language is there, later C language is there, later C++ is there. Sir, now advanced for that is nothing but Java, sir. Okay, like not only this, just for example sake, I have given this list, but we have n number of programming languages are there from the day one of computer evaluation. Sir, okay, but why we are learning Java? So we know very well, if you want to learn something, or if you want to go for any new thing, there will be certain problems in the existing terminologies. For example, sir, I want to purchase a new mobile maybe in the month of November or December. Okay, in the Diwali sale, I want to purchase a new mobile. Sir, what is the problem? Already I have a mobile. Then why we are going for new mobile? Sir, my mobile is almost 3 years. 3 years completed. 3 years service. Okay. So almost it is having three from the last 3 years I am using this mobile. First point. Second point, camera is not that much clarity. In future, I want to record the videos. I need more camera clarity. Okay. And the third one, sir, some scratches are there in the mobile, like not in the screen, sir, in the background, in the case, everything, some problems are there. Okay. So performance is also a bit slow, like that, n number of reasons are there. So I'm going for a new phone. So in the same way, if any problems are there in the existing programming languages, definitely as a modern world, we have to update for newer technologies. But from the past 7 to 8 years, Java is rocking in the market like anything. Okay, so because of that much new concepts are there. Sir, in Java, if you see, there are multiple versions are there. The latest version is nothing but 18, sir. So you can imagine how much powerful Java is, because we got up to 18 versions. Okay, so this is nothing but language evaluation, how this Java came into the market. Sir, from the 1991, so they started implementing, okay, implementing Java, sir. Initially, the name of this project is nothing but a green project. What is the name of this project? Green project. Everything will be started in the form of project only, right? Okay, for example, so if I want to construct a small building, sir, we can say it is a project. Sir, I want to purchase a new bike. Sir, it is a new project. Sir, I want to take a new batch. Yes, it is a project. So first of all, we will write down the roadmap. Sir, when we have to take the demo class, in the demo class, what content we need to cover. Okay, so directly we should not start Java, and we should not kill the time of the students by taking theory parts, because by watching the demo sessions only, the students are going to be continued. So how your teaching skills will be, how you are going to explain the programming, so what new things they are expecting from you. So all these things we have to be very clear on the demo sessions. Like that, we have to prepare a roadmap. Then after the course got started, so up to which topic we have to provide assignments, when we have to give this program for the students, like that, minimum, sir, 5 pages, sir, starting batch information I'm going to prepare for every batch. So it is a kind of a project work. Minimum I will spend 3 hours on that. So in the same way, so whenever they want to introduce Java, so they have started a small project. So the name of that project is Green Project in 1991. Then, sir, who is the lead of this? James Gosling. James Gosling is the lead, and some more team members are there. Okay, sir, they have started this Green Project at the end of 1992. So they completed this project, and so they want to give a new name for this. They have suggested Oak Programming Language. Okay, Oak Programming Language. Sir, OAK, Oak means it is a tree name, sir. Remember, this is nothing but a tree name in some country. Okay, so tree name, it is a tree name. of course, which is very popular, which represent a strength. So that a 3 is having more strength, sir. So because of that, they have selected this OAK programming language. But unfortunately, sir, do you know, worldwide programmers, they rejected this name. They rejected OAK, rejected OAK name. Sir, what is the reason? Because already a company, okay, a company is there with this name, with this name. Already one company is existed. So then they came up with a new name, with the name Java. So Java means what? It is a something like a coffee seed name, sir. It is a coffee seed name. That's why if you see the logo of Java, okay, the logo of Java is coffee cup symbol, coffee cup symbol. Okay, I think you have seen. Okay, so this is nothing but how they came up with Java. Sir, the first version of Java is released on 23rd January. Okay, 23rd January 1996. Okay, so they introduced JDK, Java Development Kit 1.0 version. First version released on the market, and which is prepared, which is evaluated by James Gosling and the team. So who is the founder of Java? James Gosling. And sir, this this particular programming language compulsory. So one of any company have to sponsor this. Okay. So this Java was initially sponsored by Sun Microsystems. So at the time, there are only two companies are there, Microsoft and Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems is the founder, is the official brand ambassador for this Java. So with the help of this Sun Microsystems only, so this James Gosling and the team launched this Java, sir. Then later, this Java from Sun Microsystems, okay, from Sun Microsystems to it has been hand over the complete this Java parts, everything, Java versions, everything. The complete documentation of this Sun Microsystems Java has been accepted by Oracle Corporation. Now, so who is the official sponsor of Java? Now, Oracle company is the official sponsor. So if you want to download any Java software, or if you want to view the latest information about Java, or you want to know what things will be there in the upcoming Java versions, okay, or I want to see what are the predefined APIs are there in my Java. Like that, if you want to download Java software on your operating system, so you need any guidance means everything will be available in which website, sir? Oracle website. And make sure Oracle website is not only for Java, sir. It is handling so many softwares and hardwares. Okay, it is a popular company. Okay, so this is nothing but what is the history of Java. So what is the latest version of Java? 1.0 is nothing but the initial version. Sir, what are the Java versions that we have? Sir, we have n number of Java versions are there. Sir, remember carefully. So initially, so Java, that is JDK, I can say JDK 1.0 came into the picture. So for this, so many updates are there: 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, like that, 1.5, so 1.6, 1.7, like that. Sir, immediately, so they have shifted from Java up to 1.8 is there, sir. Okay, then they released it as so Java 9, Java 9, and then Java 10. Okay, Java 10, Java 11, Java 12. So like that, they started naming. So Java 15, Java 16, Java 17, Java 18. But of course, you need to be more clear about this 1.5. It is a stable version. So where you can expect so many new features. Okay. And even 1 point is also stable version where you can expect n number of features. And even so Java 10, it is also a stable version where you can expect so many new features will be there. In the remaining versions, maybe one or two new features will be there, but I mean with respect to small updations will be there, but these are the very famous large content will be there in these versions. In 1.5, so many new concepts came into the picture. Even in 1.8 also, so many new features came into the picture. Similarly, in Java 10. Sir, do you know, in other programming languages, if I want to declare any integer variable, you can take integer x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, like this. Sir, it is valid, so up to Java 9 version. Sir, in Java 10, you can replace this with variable, var keyword, like JavaScript, Python, like this. So automatically, based on the content, whatever you are taking, so automatically the type will be decided. So this particular concept came in which version of Java? Java 10. Like that, small changes also there, but we are going to focus on so the new concepts which came, not a small changes. Okay. So this is nothing but so what we have history about Java. Okay, history about Java. Let us see. So Java official website. Sir, if I want to perform any documentation, or I need to see what is the latest version of Java, or I want to download this Java software, from where I can get all this information. Sir, I already told Oracle company is there. From that you can able to download. This is nothing but okay, this is nothing but the official website, sir, where you can able to get the complete Java information. Of course, it is a Oracle company website, but in that you need to go with the products. In the products, we have n number of products are there. You can able to check. So coming to this hardware and software, Java is there, MySQL is there. Okay. So Linux is there, Oracle database is there, servers and every information is available. Try to click on Java. This is our main agenda. Okay. So here you can able to see the complete information about this Java is available here. Okay. So like this we can check. So like Java 19 launch. So it is about to launch. Okay. So when on September 20. Okay. So now you can able to see. If you go for download Java now, it is going to open the download page. So where you can see Java 18 and 17 are available now. So depending on your operating system, you can able to select. Sir, I want to see the documentation. Yes, documentation is also available in this. Just you have to search that song. Okay, documentation is also available for everything, sir. Okay. Yeah, maybe you can check it later. I will guide you how you can able to verify all these things. Okay. So this is nothing but, so what is the official website of Java, what we have, and from where we can download the software and where we can install. Don't worry, the installation of Java software also I will explain, sir. Okay. Sir, please confirm up to this introduction. So why this Java they have introduced, what background is there, and what are the different versions are there. All these things are clear for you people, I think so. So please confirm, do you have any doubt, friends, up to this? Everyone, please. Yes, I request everyone to please respond, sir. Is everything is clear? Right. Sir, next coming to the softwares. Okay, softwares. Softwares required to run Java application. Of course, we are running core Java. That's why only standalone applications will be there. Sir, what softwares are required if I want to execute a standalone application? The first software is nothing but you need editors, sir. Okay, compulsory. You need an editor so to run the program. Sir, what kind of editors are there with me? Sir, you can use any editors, n number of editors are there in the market. The default editor what we have here is Notepad. So directly you can go with any operating, I mean any Windows operating system, just you can type on Notepad. So this is nothing but the Notepad where you can type your programs. Okay, this is the default editor which will come along with the operating system. Then, sir, if you want, you can install some external editors also. Sir, something like Notepad plus plus is there where you can expect syntax highlightation. Similarly, Edit Plus, it is my favorite editor, Edit Plus. Okay, where I know some shortcuts. Sir, Sublime text is there. Okay, so all these things are nothing but editors what we have, and even we have VS Code is there. Okay, VS Code is there, and Atom editor is there. Atom editor is there. Okay, yeah, like this we have n number of editors are there. You can use any one of these editor, but don't worry, I'm going to cover maximum all these editors whatever I have listed out. Okay, now, sir, compulsory you required Java latest version. Java latest version software. So you have to download. We have to download from Oracle website, and we need to install, and we have to install on our local machine. Sir, do you need to pay anything for installation or to download this software? Means no, sir. Of course, Java is a paid version only, but for student point of view, yes, you can download and you can practice the programs, but for company level, they need to purchase. Okay, so for that, they have to contact the Java community and they need to purchase, sir. Okay, so for student point of view, yes, you can download and you can install, you can practice, but for company people, compulsory they have to purchase. Okay, then, sir, third one. Yes, we required some command prompt also. We required some command prompt, or some people may use PowerShell. PowerShell. Sir, you can use these to run the Java programs. Up to certain basic steps, I am going to run on this command prompt only. Sir, it is by default. Okay, by default available in OS. By default available with OS. Along with operating system, you are going to get this, sir. Sir, next one, you required some IDEs. IDEs means what? Integrated development environment. Sir, where everything is automated. Where everything is automated. For example, if I am using any statement, if I am using any illegal Java statement, it is going to suggest array. So you are going out of the box. So this statement is not correct, whatever you are taking. So you need to handle this particular error. So I'm going to give you one suggestion. Please accept this suggestion so that your error will be removed automatically. Yes, if you want, you can take that help. Okay, sir, I want to write a Java program, so which will work with the data structures. Directly, you can create the data structure. Once if you start using that data structure, whatever related import statements, wherever it is available in the Java, automatically it will search, it will import automatically. Okay, and even exception handling will be done automatically. Everything auto suggestions will be there. Okay, of course, I never recommended this IDE at very beginning stage, because if I use IDE at very beginning stage, you will become lazy, sir. Okay, for example, consider string s is equal to I have welcome is there, like this. So I want to convert this welcome into uppercase. In IDE, just if you type yes dot, that's all. Automatically, a pop-up is going to be opened with almost 10 to 15 or 10 to 16 functions will be there in this. So since it is a string object, on this string object, what operations I get able to perform, everything it is going to list out. In this, there may be a chance of having so two uppercase. Just you need to click on that. That's all. Automatically, that two uppercase will be printed here. Sir, it is not correct, sir, because if you are by hearting this, then, or if it is giving automatic suggestion, it is not correct. You need to understand what is the functionality of two uppercase, and you need to remember this function. Okay, so at least in the beginning of the coding, we need to understand this. But once if you go with the project, real-time project, once if you sit on the real-time project, then it is okay. Then it is okay, because there, so we need to finish the job. Okay, but for attending the interview, or if anyone is going to test your knowledge on Java, then compulsory never recommended to go for IDEs. So up to certain stage, so simply I can say at a learning stage, highly recommended to skip this. Okay, try to work on this, try to work on this. Even if you don't know, try to practice. So once if everything is okay, if you are getting at least 6 rating out of 10 or 5 rating out of 10, then you can start using IDEs, because you know already from the basics to advanced level. Then using IDE is very flexible for you. Okay, even if IDE is suggesting this one, oh, I know already this one, no problem, I can use. Like that we can have, sir. Okay, remember these points. That's why, so on very initial days, I'm not going for IDE. Just I will go with only the basics of these things. Then later, file handling topics are there, exception handling topics are there, multi-threading. For everything, I will use IDEs. Sir, we are going to use how many IDEs? In the sense, 3 IDEs we are going to use. One is nothing but IntelliJ IDEA. So this is one IDE, and then Eclipse IDE, and then NetBeans IDE. These softwares, how to install, how to work with this. At least for one IDE, I will take one topic. Okay, so these are the softwares which are required to run the Java application. Sir, already I installed Java application on my mission. Can you please show me that installation process? That we will see later. But once if you install Java software in your C drive, that is operating system files, program files will be there. There you can see a folder will be there with the name Java. So here you can expect all the versions, sir. I mean, whatever versions you have installed. In my mission, which versions I have installed, sir? Have you observed? Sir, I installed JDK 18 and JDK 1.8. Of course, latest versions only I have. So in my system, already I installed which versions, sir? So JDK, that is Java 1.8 is there, and Java 18 is there. Okay, because I need to work on 1.8 more time. That's why 1.8 is there. It is a stable version. Of course, latest version is also available. Sir, whatever programs that we are doing, it will work on any version. I mean, from lower to higher. Suppose if any new concept is there in 1.8, sir, is it going to work in upcoming Java versions? Yes, definitely. But if any new concept is there in Java 18, is it going to work in Java 17? Means no. Okay, so forward compatibility is there, but not backward. That we know very well, right? So it is a basic understanding concept. So these are nothing but what are the various softwares which are required if I want to run a simple Java application also. But unfortunately, already I installed Java software in my mission. That's why I'm not going to demonstrate in this particular class. Maybe Monday or Tuesday, I will show you so how to install this Java software into our mission. Directly, I will go with a small application preparation, sir. Okay, sir, please confirm about these softwares, what we are going to discuss. Is it clear for you people, friends?
Yes.
Yes, requesting everyone to please respond.
Yeah, clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Now, sir, next one. Sir, I want to prepare a Java program. Till now, from the day one, you are talking only with respect to theory part. Can I see at least a program today? Yes, happily we can do, sir. Sir, for this, sir, I need to go for a simple Java programming format. Java programming format. Java programming format. So as of now, I'm not going to cover this Java programming format, but I will show you what parts will be there in this. So the following, okay, the following are the main important, okay, main important parts of Java program. If you take any Java program, these things should be there, sir. What is the first part is nothing but comment section. Comment section. The second part of what we have here is package section. Package section. The third part of what we have here is import section. Import section. So fourth one what we have here is a class or interface section. And last part what we have here is main class section. Like this total. So how many parts of the Java program is there, sir? Total 5 parts are there. Don't worry, in the tomorrow's class I'm going to explore all these parts, but now directly I'm going for main class section. Sir, without knowing these concepts, is it possible to learn this main class section? Yes, because all these are nothing but optional. If you want, you can use. As of now, it is not required for my application. Okay, so wherever comments are required, I will introduce. So wherever packages are required, I will use that. Wherever import sections are required, there I will use. So till that, so especially these classes and interfaces, we are going to discuss in OOPS concepts. Okay, so main class is nothing but mandatory. Mandatory. So I will talk about this main classes section. Sir, what is this main class section? What is this main class section? Remaining things we will discuss later, sir. Please. Okay. Sir, what is this main class section? Very simple, sir. The program execution. It is a mandatory section. It is mandatory. Compulsory we have to provide. Compulsory we must declare this section. So without this, you can't able to run any Java application, sir. Sir, okay. Here main class contains main method. Main class contains main method. Sir, I think you know about the main method. Sir, what is the syntax? What is the syntax? Sir, any class name you can take. Any class name you can take. You can write any number of instructions, but since it is a main class, you must take main method, sir. Okay, you must take main method here. Sir, how you can able to take main method here? I'm going to define. So public static void main. So string array args. Don't worry about all these things. I will give in detail explanation about this particular main method, sir. All these parts I will explain. Here we have to write the instruction. Okay, sir, this is nothing but main class section. You need to define any class name you can take. Public static void main is the syntax of main method. Then you have to write instructions here. Sir, everything is okay. Everything is okay. What is the main method? What is the main method? Sir, to manage, okay, to manage application logic. Okay, to manage application logic. So, which must be, okay, which must be executed by, there is one person is there, sir. So, called JVM automatically. Okay, so to manage application logic, which will be executed by JVM automatically, should be present inside main classes or main method. So whatever logic, application logic that you are writing in the main method, it will be executed by JVM automatically. Sir, don't okay, don't give least priority to JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. He is the one of the important person in our life. Okay, especially the people who are learning Java. So remember, you need to remember this person till our Java ends. Okay, like we can say our second wife or our second lover, like that we can treat. Okay, so because this JVM is having so more importance, the program execution will be taken care by this JVM, and JVM is going to invoke garbage collectors. N number of activities are going to be done by this JVM. So don't underestimate this JVM. You need to remember this JVM. Around 1 hour we are going to talk about this JVM architecture in our upcoming sessions. Of course, it is a theoretical topic. So to manage Java application logic, so we have to place that application logic inside this main method, which will be executed by JVM automatically. Sir, I can able to say this is nothing but a starting and ending point, starting and ending point of any Java application. If you take any Java application, so this is nothing but starting point, this is nothing but ending point. In this, you have to provide your bunch of instructions, like it may be one instruction, or it may be two instructions, or it may be three instructions, any number of instructions you can take. Okay, this is nothing but main class section, sir. So of course, I will split this every word and I will explain in our upcoming classes. Don't get confused with all these things. Everything is a very easy enough. Okay, don't worry at all. Nani, please wait while the class is going on. Okay, later I will give you a chance to ask the queries. Yes, Nani, please. What is your doubt? Do you have any doubt? Right. So this is nothing but main class section, sir. Sir, okay, everything is okay. Sir, what about program? You need to write here. The instructions you have to write here. Sir, if I take this edit plus, this is the edit plus software. Sir, in these automatic suggestions are there. Just you can click on new. Here we have C++. If you select this, it will create a format for C++ program or C program. So C++, C, both are same, right? Just it is going to have a main method. That's all. Sir, what about Java? Just now we have seen. Have you observed? Whatever format we have covered, the same format came or not? Yes. So class public static void main string array ERGs. Sir, not only here, even if you take any Eclipse, even if you take Eclipse or any IDE, whenever you are selecting a new program, sir, automatically that particular default method will come into the picture. Okay, 1 minute, I will show you that default concept. Just a minute. So consider I'm going to take one simple program here. So I want to click on right click, go to new class. Sir, I want to name a class. Let it be demo. Okay, let it be demo. Sir, do you require a main method? Yes. Click on finish. Sir, have you observed? Is it our format or not? Public class demo. Public static void main string array arguments. Here you have to write the code. Okay, and somewhere I covered, right, this is package section. It is highly recommended to take the package section in our further applications, not at very beginning. So you can see in multiple editors, the default main method syntax is coming. So what is the main section? So class, any class name you can take, public static void main string array args. Tomorrow I will explore this main method like anything. So even we have a diagrammatic representation is also there for the main method. You can able to see every part clearly I mentioned. Okay, don't worry, that we will discuss. If I am going to explain now, you people are going to get confused. Sir, okay, this is the main section, no problem. Sir, can you please write a simple program for this? Yes, no problem, we can write. Sir, I want to write a simple C program to print, okay, to print hello message. So just for your understanding purpose, first I will write a C program, sir. Sir, how to write a C program? If I want to work with a C program, first step, maybe if you are new to C program, leave it. If you are already having the knowledge on C, then you can understand well. So ash include, we have to take stdio.h, and then you can take either void main or you can take int main, anything. So integer main. So I'm going to write code here. So which is going to print some message called hello. Hello. Then you have to write one statement called either return 0 or 1. This is a simple program. So once if you execute this program, what output will be displayed on the screen? Hello. Sir, your task is very simple, but what is that ash include stdio.h? And what about that integer main? What about that printf? Sir, I need to take the DurgaSoft classes. Okay, I need to take the DurgaSoft classes from morning 7 a.m. to evening 10 p.m. Meanwhile, some breaks will be there. So from where I have to start? Exactly at morning 7 a.m. That is the starting point of my program. Where I have to end? At evening 10 p.m. This is nothing but ending. Meanwhile, I need to take the classes. Sir, for taking the class, is there any format directly we can sit and we can take? No, because they have provided a particular format. We have a Zoom application registered for myself, and in that Zoom application, whatever classes are there, they have scheduled. In that only I have to take. So there is a format. In the same way, if I want to print a message on the screen, you need to take one function in C language, which is nothing but printf. F stands for function. Printf, I am printing the content. Okay, sir, if I want to work with printf, sir, I want to take the class in Zoom. But before, if you want to work with Zoom, you must install Zoom application in your PC or not? Yes, that is called as this one, library. Library in the sense what? Sir, to work with printf, some link must be required, some help must be required. That is nothing but libraries. Sir, I want to purchase some item. Compulsory you required money. Okay, so dependencies are there where this printf function is defined in the sense inside stdio. That's all. I'm not going beyond this, and I'm not going to kill your brain. Okay, sir, now I want to write a sample C++ program to print hello. Array boss, whether it is a C program or C++ program or Java or any programming language, the task is only one. You have to print the message. Sir, if you want to work with C++, you have to include iostream.h. The package name is going to be changed. But main method is unfortunately same for C and C++. So here we have to use one more function called cout, not printf. It is a different programming language, but same like C. Then immediately you may ask doubt, sir, except that printf and cout, is there any difference between C and C++? Yes. C is not an object-oriented programming language. C++ support object-oriented programming. Of course, it is not in our context, just leave it. So this is a simple program to print hello message on the screen using C language. And this is the simple program to print hello message on the screen by using C++. Sir, can I write a simple Java program? A simple Java program. So to print, so hello message on the screen. Yes. So it is also a simple, but unfortunately, this format is different, sir. Already you have given format, sir. Let us take that format. Let us take that format. This is nothing but my format. Excellent. In this format, I want to provide the instructions. Sir, what instruction I want to take? I want to print the message. In C language, we are using printf to print the message. In C++, we are using cout to print the message. In Python, we are using print to print the message. But in Java, sir, there is high security method is there, which is nothing but system.out.println of hello. This is nothing but a simple program to print the message called hello. Sir, you have given the clear identity, no problem at all. But how to execute this? Yes, I will show you. Once if your program is ready, only few steps are there to execute this program. Okay, sir, I think if everything is clear up to this, then I will go with execution of this program, sir. And please don't worry, don't get confused about the words, whatever I am using here. For every word, we will perform postmortem on this. Okay, we will bring this Java program in front of our table. We will cut every piece. Like we are going to cut this part called class, and we will perform postmortem on this class for minimum 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will cut this Java test name, and then we will perform postmortem. We will take public word and we will perform postmortem. For every word, minimum 5 minutes explanation I will give, so that you can understand very clearly. With real-time examples only I will cover, so that easily you can able to remember. Maybe that part you can expect in tomorrow's session. Okay, sir, please confirm. So how to write a simple C program, Java program, by C++ program? I think it is very clear for you in the Java programming format. What about main class section? These things I covered, sir. Sir, please confirm if everything is clear for you people. I will go with how to execute this program. Yes, please confirm. Is everything is clear?
Yes.
Right. If anyone is having doubts, please let me know here itself. Yes, Nani, I hope you have messaged me. Do you have any doubts? Sir, I request everyone to please respond. Don't be ideal. It is a Java class. You are going to learn something.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Right. Sir, my application is ready. A simple application I prepared. I want to execute this application because, sir, what is the purpose of preparing an application? Maybe today the application is very simple to print hello message. Tomorrow, maybe we are going to write a program to perform addition of two numbers. So maybe day after tomorrow, we are going to perform reading some student name and student hall ticket number from the user. Maybe after 50 days, we may write program to read the complete information about the student. Maybe at last day, we will read the complete information. We will calculate, we will compute something. Okay. So we are going to get some output, and that output, maybe we are going to write it in a database. Okay, like n number of the size of the application is going to be increased like anything, but for everything, the first step is very, very important. Sir, I prepared the program. If I want to execute this program, 1 minute. So what we have to do? Yes, sir, I prepared the program. So first step is nothing, but again, these steps I will explain. First step is nothing, but we have to save the program with any name, any name, but recommended, to use our class name, Okay, example. Sir, already you have given a class name as a test. Can you please save this file as a test.java? Yes, no problem. You can save the file as a test.java. .java is an extension for Java file. The extension for C language file is .c. The extension for C++ file is .cpp. The extension for Java file is nothing but .java. Like this we have. Okay, just a second. Right. Sir, next, what is the next process? Sir, we have to compile. We have to compile the Java program. Sir, compilation in the sense what? Compilation in the sense what? Sir, whatever program you have written. Okay, whatever program you have written. Sir, I created one program. Here. So with some instructions, I created one program. Some instructions, maybe it is a addition of two numbers program, or factorial of the given number, or prime number, or not, any program. Sir, so what is the file name of this program? I have given test.java. Sir, what code is there here? It is nothing but human readable code. Okay, human readable code is there. I can say H code, human readable code. Sir, we can able to see the content, right? Yes, we can able to see. Sir, what is the purpose of compilation? What is the purpose of compilation? Sir, we have to get output on the screen. That is our main agenda. Why we are writing the programs? To execute that programs and to get the output. What is the output of this program? Maybe we are going to get hello. Directly you won't get this, sir. So for this, you need to convert. Okay, you need to convert your program into mission understandable code. So in this mission understandable code, you may get zeros and ones combination. Okay, you may get zeros and ones combination. So we can't able to read and write zeros and ones, sir. That's why someone is going to convert your instructions, like whatever you have given in the English, someone has to convert it into mission code, so that it is called as executable code. executable code. The format for this is a .exe, executable code. Sir, how to get this executable code? Meanwhile, there will be some person, sir. So he is going to generate, okay, he is going to generate one beautiful code called bytecode. So which is in the form of test.class. So the code which is in this is nothing but I can say intermediate code, or some people may use the word called bytecode. Okay, sir, or I can say okay, no problem, remaining words as of now not required. Sir, what content is there in this? What content is there in this? You can't able to read. Okay, so we can't read this content. We can't read this content. Okay, so human code we can read, mission can understand, but you can't able to read this code. Even mission can't able to read this code. So who can understand this code? Who is going to understand this code? Sir, there is one special person is there. Already I have given that person name. Who is that person? Java virtual mission. Okay, Java virtual mission. So this Java virtual mission JVM is having the complete responsibility to convert this class file into mission understandable code. Sir, okay, who is responsible to convert? Okay, who is responsible to convert your code? Who is responsible to convert your code into this particular class code? For this, we are going to use one tool called compiler. Okay, so in this particular example, sorry, in this particular example, ayyo, 1 minute. Yeah, in this particular example, compilation process is there. Compilation process in the sense, this entire phase is called as compilation process, sir. This entire phase is called as compilation process. Sir, now this entire phase is called as execution process. Okay, so this first phase is called as compilation. Sir, this particular phase is called as execution. So for this, internally how it is going to happen we will discuss later, but for this compilation we have one command is there. So compiling the Java program. Sir, how to compile? We have to use Java C space. What is the file name that you have given? Test.java. Okay, test.java. Sir, I am compiling test.java program which will create a class file. What is the next step, sir? We have to execute the Java program. We have to execute the Java program. Okay, sir, how you can able to execute? For this, we have to take Java space test. Okay, first step, creating the program. Second step, saving the program. Third step, compiling the program. Fourth step, executing the program. Don't worry, again and again I will explain all these steps one by one. Okay, theoretically, don't worry at all. Now, sir, my program is ready. Can I copy paste this program? Yes, sir, I am going for new Java program and I am saving this. So let us save this file as I have created one separate folder. Okay, so there I am going to take the file name .test.java. Now you have to open the command prompt. Sir, where you have saved the file? In C drive, there is a Prakash classes folder is there. There I have saved. Okay, because in that folder only we can able to access. What command we have to use for compiling the Java program? Just now we have seen the command is nothing but Java C. Of course, file name is also test.java. So I'm going to take Java C space test.java. Excellent. If you want, you can see, sir, is the class files got created or not? I want to check. Have you seen here? Test.class file got created at exactly 9:01 a.m. Just now it got created. Can I view that content? You can't able to, sir. You can able to see. This is the content of that class file. It is mission independent. Okay, right. Sir, my program is ready. Can I run? Yes, Java space test you have to give. Just press enter. Automatically you are going to get the output, which is nothing but hello. Sir, to prepare a simple program, these many steps are required. Yes, of course, at initial stages. Okay, so the first step will be very large, sir. You need to struggle to enter into the first step. But once if you climb that first step, remaining things will become very easy. Okay, sir, don't worry. In this Java programming format, excluding all the optional parts, I covered main class section. In that main class section, how to write a program we discussed. But don't worry, in our upcoming classes, in detail about this Java programming format, like what is the main class, so what is mean by class, what is mean by test, what is mean by static void, system.out.println, and syntax for compiling the program, syntax for executing the program. Sir, is it always required to save the file with test.java? All these things I will explain, sir. Okay, don't worry at all. Sir, please confirm the program. Okay, the program. What program we have done? Test.java. Sir, this program and how we compiled all these things. Of course, I will give clarity on this later also, but as of now, just to understand. So how you can able to execute the program? Sir, please confirm, is these concepts are clear for you people? Yes. If you are having any queries, please let me know. I request everyone to please confirm. Any doubts up to this?
No, sir.
Right. Right. Sir, you can able to see on my screen, there is one hacker rank link is there. Okay, this is hacker rank website. So we are going to provide some links for that. Okay, so there you can able to see all the programs. You can able to solve these programs. I said right in the yesterday session somewhere. So I'm going to give assignments. This is that particular link, sir. Okay, just you can solve the programs. Here you can able to see. Write a program to print a hello world message on the console. There is no input for this program, there is no conditions for the program. Hello world is nothing but output. So here you can able to see the programming format is already given. What is your task? Just you need to write your business logic. Just now I told right how to write the program. System.out.println of I am taking hello world. Yes, so once if you are finishing the program, you can able to run the code. Sir, it is telling your code did not pass the test case. So you have to read the problem statement. Sir, your output is hello world. Expected output is also hello world. But a W here capital letter, here small letter. Oh, so we have to modify the program in such a way that it has to satisfy the given requirements. Sir, congratulations. So you passed the sample test case. Click on the submit code button to run your code against all the test cases. I have given some test cases in the background. Of course, all these are same. So you can able to see the code submitted. All the test cases are passed. Your score is 1 point and your status is accepted. That's all. Like this, you can practice the programs here, sir. Okay, on the completion of every topic, I will give this. Sir, program to find subtraction of two numbers. Input is 10 and 5. 10 minus 5 means what? 5. Sir, I have given 10 and 1. So 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9. 5, 1. 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4. Of course, how to write input for this? After completion of input and output statements, you can able to see. In the syllabus, somewhere I covered that, right? Input and output statements. After completion of input and output statements, operators, you can able to do that problem, whatever just I have given. Okay, so today I think we have seen history of Java and the softwares which are required to run Java application, and I didn't cover any installation, but we have seen one sample program. In tomorrow, we will see what are the steps to prepare the basic application. Okay, next and after that, maybe I'm going to start data types also. Okay, Sir, hope it is very clear for you people till now, whatever discussed. Okay, so if you are having any queries, please let me know. No queries, right? Please confirm.